Here is the Valtcan titanium carabiner with bottle opener. This comes in a all matte black finish. Here's the bottle opener and very thin profile, weighs almost nothing. I'll do the measurements in a second. Here's the push lever that allows access to the bottom once you push it in. Again, this will loosen over time, so in the beginning you might be needs a little force to open it. Here's a close-up of the lever. Very quick in latching onto your belt loop or your other keychains. Just do a quick demonstration right here. Have the keychain, you just push it in like this. You have access to the bottom as well as the top. Okay. Let's get some measurements in here. I have my trusty scale. It's 12.6 grams or 0.44 ounces. And let's do some dimensions while we're at it. From tip to tip is about 2.5 inches. About 1.2 for the width, and the thickness, thickness is going to be really small, so almost negligible. It's going to be, I would say, 1/4 of an inch also. And finally, let's do a quick demonstration of the bottle opener. Zoom out a little bit. And right here you have a little thumb grip. I forgot to mention this. So you could easily hook onto your belt loop. Anyway, here's the demonstration of the bottle opener. Straightforward design, just latch it on and then here you go. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my Coke, but here is the carabiner one more time. Let's do a 360 of it.